Got a choice of the stairs or the lift down the bottom. So on the first floor, rooms 201 to 237. So here we are at the Holiday Inn Express in Nuneaton. As you come in the room, on your right you've got some shelving for your storage. Put your luggage there if you need to. On your left is the bathroom, which we'll take a look at in a minute. So just coming into the room, so the rooms are interconnecting rooms. You've got your tea, coffee making facilities there, just a small kettle. So there you go. What's in here? Oh, you've got your iron and iron board there, and some more hangers to store things. Got a bit of a work desk there. Your room air conditioning is there also. Plenty of power points. Good amount of lighting. Your TV is just above the work desk. Nice looking bed, nice size. Like the wooden headboard with the lights. You've got a small chair to sit in. And there's your room heating. I don't think it does have aircon actually, I think it's just for heating by the looks of it. Yep, it is just for heating, so that's where your heating would be. So, at the side of the bed, yeah, you've got plugs with USB, reading lights at either side of the bed as well. Yep, both sides. There's your hotel telephone to use to contact reception. So let's have a look at the bathroom in this Holiday Inn Express Nuneaton. So as you go in, large mirror above the wash basin. Not the biggest amount of space. Got your WC, heated towel rail. Right, there's no bath provided, it's a walk-in shower. But got your shampoo and body wash provided. Luckily it's a shower head that could actually be removed instead of the type that's usually fixed to the wall. So nice big shower cubicle, very clean. You got all your towels provided. So I hope you've enjoyed this little room tour of the Holiday Inn Express. So if you're looking for somewhere nice to stay in the Nuneaton area, why not choose this place? I don't think you'll be disappointed. So I have arrived early morning, it's still quite dark outside, but quite a large car park, even if you've got vans and stuff. Lots of room. It's not a small room, it's quite a good size, plenty of room to move around. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and take care. So hi folks, quick room review of the Holiday Inn Express in Nuneaton. The rooms are clean and bed is very comfortable. You do get a little bit of road noise from the street outside, but it's not too bad. Now I did have the breakfast at the hotel. The breakfast is fairly limited, but you get a choice of sausage, scrambled egg, bacon, beans, hash browns, and mushrooms, I think it was. There is a few little yogurts and stuff, a couple of cereals, and hot and cold drinks to have, which is all complimentary with your stay at the hotel. Now, I just went down to have a look at the options for an evening meal at the hotel, and the reception staff advise you it is very limited what they are able to offer. And I will show you the menu that is available, and it's virtually a choice of beans on toast or chips is virtually the only options available. So now there is other establishments fairly close to the hotel. You've got fast food options, as well as I think I noticed there's a restaurant the hotel is situated on a bit of a trading estate, so there is a few different options there if you want an evening meal. But yeah, the hotel itself cannot really offer anything. So I hope you've enjoyed the room tour and the look around the hotel. As I say, it's a Holiday Inn Express. It is clean. It's decent. You'll get a good sleep. But food wise, yeah, if you're looking for somewhere to have food during your stay, you're probably best finding a different hotel. So catch you later. Goodbye.